Hello friends, today we are going to talk about Google's Agent Development Kit framework. Now before we proceed, let us understand that what is the need of this new framework. Every enterprise who are building AI agents today, they are looking not just chatbots interface. They are looking for AI agents which can understand users, access enterprise systems, perform some actions and work across the channels reliably. Now LLMs provide brain to our agents, but if our agents need to take some actions, they want some tools. And if one agent want to communicate with another agent, then it will increase the complexity. Now, how to handle these complexities? And that is where the gap begins. Now, let's see what are the challenges with the current landscape. Today, we have multiple options to build the AI agents. We can use LangChain or Llama Index or Crew AI framework, or we can manually stitch RAG pipelines, or we can do custom orchestration using Python, or we can use any open source agent runtime. Now, all of these options do only part of the job really well. For example, one option is good in doing RAG implementation, while another option is good in tool orchestration or memory management. But none of these options solve the end-to-end enterprise problem. The current frameworks create fragmented, non-integrated agent architectures, but enterprises need a unified production-grade agent platform. And that is where these frameworks fall short. Now let's see what is Agent Development Kit or ADK. ADK is designed to empower developers to build, manage, evaluate, and deploy AI-powered agents. ADK is a client-side Python SDK and it enables developers to build complex, production-ready multi-agent systems. One of the complex part of multi-agent system is to enable communication among the agents, and we need to write a lot of glue code to do that. But ADK makes it easier to build multi-agent systems by providing support for communication among the agents. Now, one of the most important characteristic of ADK is that it is model agnostic, deployment agnostic, and interoperable. Now, let's understand these terms carefully. What is model agnostic? ADK agent never depend directly on the model. They use model interface. So when model changes, your agent does not break. You can use Gemini or OpenAI models, Anthropic Claude, Mistral, or any local LLM. Deployment agnostic. Agents can be deployed locally on Google Cloud Platform or any other hyperscaler or anywhere where you have the infra setup. Interoperable. Agents can work well with the existing tools and services. It does not care whether a tool is a REST API or a gRPC service or a Python function. It can also work well with the agents which have been developed using the other frameworks. So you see, the core objective of Agent Development Kit or ADK is to make agent development feel more like software development, where all the agent related complexities can be hid or simplified using this ADK framework.